In this video, we'll learn how to separate and unlink audio from video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. First, make sure you have a clip on the timeline that contains both video and audio. By default, the video and audio are linked together, which means if you move one, the other moves along with it. Now right-click on the clip in the timeline. From the menu, click Unlink. That's it. Once you do this, the video and audio become separate clips. You can now move the audio independently, delete the audio without affecting the video, mute or adjust audio freely, replace the audio with music or voiceover. If you ever want to link them again, select both the video and audio clips, right-click and choose Link. And that's it. You now know how to separate and unlink audio from video cleanly in Adobe Premiere Pro. See if this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.